Hey my lovelies, this is Matilda and today I'm showing you how to make egusi. So here we're preparing our stock. We're going to blend our stock and then we're going to move on to the palm oil alternative, which is a combination of annatto and allspice. Add your blended stock, season and simmer for 15. Now we're on to the melon seed alternative. I used hemp seeds for this dish. Add some fresh coriander and let it simmer for about 25. Moving on to our bananas, I'm using the baby banana, also known as fig, as the alternative to plantain. And I'm going to be using the blogger banana as your alternative to the Cavendish green banana. We're going to let that steam down for roughly about 25 minutes. Add some water, mind you, then 25 minutes. So this is what your egusi should look like after about 25 minutes or so. Add some nori sprinkles. Now, mind you, this is not the traditional way of making egusi, but this is the closest I could get it. Now, if you add the nori, then that gives you like the fish stock type of taste. Here I'm showing you that you can also serve it with fonio instead of pounded yam. Enjoy.